Hey, let's get ready from this one palette. Contour around the edges to sculpt out my jawline, a little bit down my nose to make it look thinner on that top part of my nose, and then a little bit under my lip to create fullness. Now I'm going into brightening highlight. Think of this as concealer. I like to put it on the inner and outer corners of my eyes and a little bit down my nose. Now I am grabbing my main foundation color, we call them highlights, and filling in all the empty spaces. Now lip and cheek color just above my contour on my cheek, and then bronzer on the high points of my face. While that's sitting there warming up, I'm going to do some eye makeup. Super simple, a couple of matte shades just above my crease. Clean off my brush, grab a little bit of shimmer with my finger for my lid, and then I'm going to use the small side and a darker brown for eyeliner. And then just make sure you blend that nicely. Now that all that's done, I'm grabbing my setting spray, nice soft brush to blend all of my foundation. I like to start with my light colors, and then I'll move into the darker colors and the contours. And then I'm going to use the small side of that brush to get in the inner and outer corners of my eyes. Blend that cheek color a little bit more, add some illuminator on the high points of my face and down my nose, and mascara. Everything is in my one palette. I don't have to check a bag. I can keep it in my purse. It is awesome. Get yours today. Text MATCH to 719-345-1345. Have a beautiful day.